welcome back to the kitchen. Well, not my kitchen, but this is a houseboat that we're on for the next 4 nights. So I've been requested to do the chicken sweet chili burgers, and quite a simple meal, but very tasty and great to do on a barbie, which we have upstairs. So just to quickly start off, you're going to need an egg, you're going to need some coriander and cumin, about 1/4 teaspoon of each. You're going to need half a cup of sweet chili sauce, according to your own taste. You might find you may need more or less in the future, depending on how much you like it, or you can always dab a little bit more on your burger after. 2 cloves of garlic, 1 kilo of chicken mince, half a cup of breadcrumbs. I'm using gluten-free as an option for those who are gluten intolerant. And we also need some coriander. So let's begin. Okay, once you've got all your ingredients in a bowl, now all you want to do is mix it up together until it's well combined, and we are then going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Oh, sorry, I was just enjoying a gin and tonic. 2 hours later, and I'm ready to start making my chili chicken burgers. So, after 2 hours in the fridge, it's time to pull up your sleeves and start making your burgers. So just nice round burgers, size of a tennis ball. And just put them on. On your plate. Once you've done your balls, they're ready to take up to the cook, and he will barbecue them or grill them for us. See you when they're ready. In the meantime, cheers. Yes.
Oh, how good do these look? Thank you, Jojo.
And voila, here are your burgers, all to enjoy. Extra chili sauce if you would like on top. Eat it with a salad. You will love them. Woohoo!